very inspirational throughout COVID. I've been following him on Facebook. He's done some phenomenal work, particularly a lot of social work in blood banks. When the world locked down and closed doors and wanted to stay indoors, people like Praneeth and Team Saviours went out on the streets and helped a lot of people, whether it's food, clothing, basic needs. I'm so happy and honored to have you here with us. Praneeth, by the way, now he's a social worker, but by education he's not. He's a civil engineer, and building societies is also something he likes to do. So, over to you.
Thank you. Myself, Praneeth, I'm from 𝐷𝐿, Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I'm working as a civil engineer in finance, but as well as I'm the proposed Saviours 𝐷𝐿. So currently we are working on 4 issues. One being awareness camps on women's safety, child education, backwardness, and etc. As well as preparations and fulfill the requirements in emergency times. As well medical camps which involves fundraising, showing order treatment to the needy people, and food donations. So food donation for the needy people during the disaster times, like cyclone, anything. So it's currently a team of nearly 400 people in our town. So
400 young people.
Yeah, 400 young people. So that's the I1 basically our students, and currently 4 or 5 students. Thank you for the research.